Rayma and I'm the vegan foodie. We're back for another episode again, and tonight I'm at the Royals Dynasty restaurant on the Gold Coast in Queensland, and we've just sat down at this place. It's quite busy, so they say that busy places are always good. I have ordered Chinese mushroom and fresh vegetables, as well as steamed rice, and also have got spinach leaves with garlic. So they look great in the picture, and I'll let you know as soon as I taste them. We can have a look together. Fingers crossed I've made the right choice. So I've gone for the combination vegetables with bamboo mushroom, and it's $23.80, and the spinach leaves with garlic sauce is $28.80. And steamed rice, well, I haven't found that on the menu, but it shouldn't be too expensive. And here are the photos of the different dishes. They do also have bean curd, which would be most of that would be, I guess, vegan, but I'm not going to try that. So yeah, so I'm going over here. The vegetables, can't go wrong with vegetables. That's my spinach leaves with garlic sauce. Here's my vegetables with Chinese mushroom. That looks yum. I wonder if that's garlic. I'm not sure if that's garlic, but I can smell garlic. I think that's actually ginger. Now I can smell ginger. I'm not a fan of ginger, but I guess I can just push them off. But I can definitely smell that. But apart from that, as you all know, I love my mushrooms, and there's plenty in there. So I'm just waiting for my rice now. Okay, I've got my rice. I'm going to turn that over on my plate. Have a mountain of rice. I'll put my vegetables, actually my sauce. Let's put some sauce over that. All the green vegetables. Okay. Rice should just taste like rice. Let's have a look at the mushrooms. They've been cooked really well. Really nice and chunky, meaty, chewy. Beautiful. They've put a nice sauce on it. It doesn't say what sauce it is on the menu, but it's quite nice. Simple Asian food. Really nice. Got some capsicum, broccoli, carrots. Bok choy. Vegetables are crunchy. Get some spinach. The spinach is really nice. It's got a smoky taste, flavour. It's got bits of garlic, just little pieces. Not very big. I'm trying to work out what the smoky flavour is, but it's been cooked really well. I really like that. Simple Asian food here at the Royal Dynasty on the Gold Coast. I'd give this, I'll give it 10 out of 10. I've been very good with my ratings lately, but it is nice food. I'm enjoying it. I can't find anything wrong with it. So for me, this is a 10 out of 10. Nice, enjoyable meal. The rice is nice and fluffy. It's not gluggy. Blends well with the vegetables. Yum. Give it a try if you're down this way. If you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Pass it on to your friends who aren't vegan, who can see the lovely food that we have, and come back for more next time. Look forward to seeing you. Have a great day.